Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Boomerang Ball is probably one of the most captivating outdoor toys you can find. This innovative gadget merges the fun of a ball with the thrill of a boomerang, offering an experience that's both challenging and incredibly satisfying. Get ready to witness some amazing flight patterns as you learn the techniques to master this unique toy. It's perfect for a day at the park, a beach outing, or just some fun in your backyard. Number 5. Flying Orb Ball Toy, Cosmic Globe Boomerang. Get ready for the future of fun. This hand-controlled drone is a blast to play with. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. This flying orb uses intelligent flight technology. Different throwing angles create unique flight paths. The colorful LED lights make it even cooler at night. Made with high-quality, soft yet durable materials, it's drop-resistant and flexible. You don't have to worry about it breaking easily. It will stop automatically when it hits something. It charges in just 20 minutes and provides 8 to 10 minutes of flight time. You can charge it with various devices, and the indicator light lets you know when it's ready. Enjoy continuous play with the USB charging feature. It's easy to recharge and ready for your next adventure. Get ready for hours of entertainment. Looking for a great gift? This flying orb ball is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a fun and unique gift for everyone. What we like. This flying orb ball offers intelligent flight, allowing for unique playstyles with different angles and speeds. It charges quickly via USB, ensuring more playtime. If you're looking for a fun and engaging gift for kids, this is a great choice. It's perfect for birthdays or any special occasion. What people say. Works as advertised. They showed up already charged, so the kids were able to play right away. The battery life seems very good also. This is well built, very easy to use. Even though it looks fragile, it's stronger than it seems. It has a fast charge time, 8 minutes. Number 4. Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2025, Hand-Controlled Mini Drone. This is the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball, a high-tech, hand-controlled mini drone. It's designed for fun and easy operation, suitable for both indoor and outdoor play. Featuring a gyroscope and smart AI chip, it promises intelligent flight. Different throwing angles and speeds create various flight paths and boomerang effects. It enhances hand-eye coordination and creativity. Made of high-grade ABS material, the lightweight body can withstand numerous crashes. The propellers are safely enclosed, ensuring children's safety during play. It charges fully in just 25 minutes via USB, providing 8 to 10 minutes of flight time. The LED indicator shows the charging status, making it easy to know when it's ready to go. You don't need much space to enjoy this. It's perfect for the backyard or indoors, offering a smooth flight and boomerang effect. It's a great way to learn about physics and aerodynamics. This hand-controlled drone is an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a great choice for kids, teenagers, adults, and even the elderly. What we like. This hand-controlled drone features a lightweight and durable design, making it safe and easy to play with. It's also USB rechargeable for convenience. If you like a toy that encourages interaction and is suitable for both indoor and outdoor fun, this is the one for you. What people say. Bought 2, one wouldn't charge correctly, was replaced within 2 days and works perfectly. Fun for all. It's crazy, it just zips around the house so fast and random. It's lightweight and made of plastic, so I don't feel worried about it hitting a wall. It shuts off the fans inside automatically if it detects a big bump, so it feels really safe. Charges via USB, so you'll never have to get replacement batteries. Number 3. Flying Orb Ball, Blue, 2025 Upgraded. This flying orb ball offers various ways to play, encouraging kids to discover how it moves. With each throw, they can experience different play styles and the fun it brings. The built-in lights create dazzling effects during flight. Designed for kids aged 6 and up, this toy is perfect for family and friends. They can experiment with different ways to toss and catch it. This interactive play enhances group activities and makes playtime more exciting. Made from PP material, it's lightweight and built to last. The 360 degrees mesh protects the inner workings, and it stops automatically when it bumps into something. This allows children to enjoy it safely. Compact and light, this ball charges via USB and fits easily in a bag or pocket. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor play, so kids can enjoy it at home, in the yard, or at the park. This flying orb ball makes a great gift for kids aged 6 to 12, including teens. It's ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or as a fun surprise. Parents can give this as a gift that children will love. What we like. This flying orb ball offers multiple ways to play, encouraging kids to explore different movements. It's also durable and lightweight, perfect for active play. If you're looking for a toy that's easy to take anywhere and provides endless fun, this is a great option. What people say. The colors are bright and beautiful, looks very cool in the dark. The orb does fly and is very entertaining. Super easy to use. Number 2. Ciniffo Flying Orb Ball 2025 Cosmic Globe Toy. This is the Ciniffo Flying Orb Ball, a hand-controlled mini drone. It's designed with a spherical appearance and a powerful engine. It's a fun toy that also helps improve children's skills. You can make it float, glide, and climb in the air. Or, throw it like a boomerang. Control the angle to change its flight path and unlock endless possibilities. The hover ball is made with a dense mesh and high-quality ABS material. It's flexible, light, and impact-resistant. It also has intelligent protection, stopping automatically upon impact. This toy is suitable for kids over 6 and adults. Enjoy it at home, school, parties, or the office. It's a joyful entertainment for everyone. This boomerang ball is the most eye-catching toy for any occasion. It's a great gift for birthdays, holidays, and more. Detailed instructions are included, and we're here to help if you have any questions. What we like. This flying orb ball allows for a variety of flight modes, offering a unique and engaging experience. It's designed with safety in mind, using non-toxic materials. If you want a toy that is suitable for both kids and adults, providing fun for everyone, then consider this one. What people say. The flying boomerang ball is easy to use. It is a fun toy for kids and adults. The lights are cool. Number 1. LEMATRIX 2024 Flying Orb Ball Toy. This is the amazing flying orb ball. It's a high-tech, hand-controlled drone that's fun for everyone. Get ready for some incredible interactive play. Simply put your hand near it, and it will fly in the opposite direction. Place your hand underneath, and it will go upwards. Grab and flip it to stop the fun. Made with non-toxic ABS material, this toy is lightweight and flexible. The propellers are safely enclosed, so there's no need to worry about injuries. It's light enough to carry around and play anywhere, indoors or outdoors. This mini drone is perfect for parties, activities, or just everyday fun. It charges quickly via USB, with a single charge providing 8 to 10 minutes of flight time. The LED indicator lets you know when it's charging and when it's ready to go. Looking for a great gift? This is a fun novelty gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a perfect enrichment gift for kids, teenagers, and adults. What we like. This flying orb ball is a hand-controlled drone with a unique feature. It magically flies in the opposite direction when your hands are close. It is also lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. If you are looking for a toy that is easy to control and offers interactive play, you should consider this. What people say. It was easy to learn to pass from one person to another. The product is surprisingly durable and surprisingly easy on a house when they crash. It was easy to charge and sturdy enough that it did not break. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.